Good morning, everybody. Welcome. I am Lerato Munchusi, and I am here to talk about. I'm gonna tell you what's gonna be going down in this lovely PowerPoint slide of ours. So, what we're gonna be talking about? We are in a group of five. It is me, Lerato. I am Lerato Munchusi, and I am here to introduce this lovely topic about creating a new software for financial banking apps. Wait, let me see. Yeah, to create what is this? A new banking software a software for what's this? For a banking detail for banks. So in the group we are five, and out of the five of us, it is me, Darato Munchusi, and we have Sipokazi Kumalo, we have Dintle Nkosi, we have Amukhelang, and we have Anita. So right now I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna give you a brief intro on this little topic of ours, because what will be the content in this slide is gonna be about the vision, mission, and goals of the Institute of Information Technology Professionals in South Africa, and descriptions in promoting professionalism and ethical standards in South Africa, in South African IT sectors. Then we're gonna also be talking about the three ways the first two are gonna be talking about the vision and mission statements, the vision, mission, and goal of the IITPSA. Then myself and Amukhelang, we're gonna be talking about the three ways the IITPSA Code of Ethics and three ways the IITPSA Code of Ethics and Principles can be integrated into software development cycles of the project to ensure ethical handling of financial data and compliance with professional standards. And Anita is gonna be discussing, or is gonna be talking about the discussions of how IITPSA's code of conduct can benefit the financial institutions, reproduction, and success of the mobile banking ways. So the reference list we're gonna be talking about, I'm gonna show you the reference list at the end of the video. So I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm gonna give it up to my first speaker, which is Dintle Nkosi. So Dintle, you may take the floor.
The vision of IITPSA is that it aims to promote ICT professionalism and ethical digital transformations in South Africa, ensuring that projects like banking applications are developed responsibly and securely. Their main mission is to advance the ICT profession by encouraging ethical behavior, continuous learning, and professional recognition. Developers must follow ethical practices and improve knowledge to meet professional standards.
Good morning, everyone. Standing before you is Sipaz Kumalo, and I'm here to do my part of the presentation for question one. I'm going to be talking about the goals and the conclusion of the whole of question one. So, the IITPSA's aim is to encourage ethical behavior and support ongoing professional training and also recognize skilled ICT experts. Following these aims lets you work responsibly and safeguard customer data. In conclusion, matching my work with the IITPSA helps me build a banking app with integrity, professionalism, and also trust. These qualities are vital when handling sensitive financial data. Thank you. I'll just pass it over to Lerato and Amo. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm here to thank you, Sipokazi and Dintle. Thank you for the wonderful intro on the video. And also now it's my time to be talking about what me and Amokhalang are going to be talking about we're going to be talking about three ways the IITPSA Code of Ethics and Principles can be integrated integrated into software development life cycles of this project to ensure ethical handling of financial data and compliance with the professional standards. So as you can see, so I'm not going to be alone. I am Moglakato Munchusi, and I'm going to also have a partner of mine who is Amakhala, who's going to be reading on the next time you see this video. But then anyways, we're not there. Right now I'm just going to be talking about the first two paragraphs, which is going to be like, I put a short little summary. I hope you don't mind me reading it out loud for you. So, as a junior software developer, working on a mobile banking application, it is important to follow IITPSA ethical standards to ensure responsible handling of sensitive financials and personal data. During the requirement and design phase, we as the development team will apply privacy by design principles, embedding security and privacy controls from the beginning. Okay, this ensures that customer data is properly protected and the system complies with legal requirements such as the POPIA Act and the IITPSA guidelines. Meaning, so let me explain what does all this mean. Because I just made a little summary of my first 2 points of this lovely PowerPoint, this part of the slide. So what does that mean, what I was just reading? What did that mean for me? What does that mean? Let me look at it and I'll explain it, cutting it short. Let me just make it into pieces so you can understand what does that mean. When I say as a junior software developer working on a mobile application, it is important to follow the IITPSA ethical standards to ensure responsible handling of sensitive financial and personal data. Meaning, I must create the application I'll be making for this specific financial institution, e.g., as your ABSA, your Standard Bank, your FNB, etc. Meaning, I must create a software development that meets these standards under the IITPSA guidelines. Like as Gothenburg, what? That's where I got, from Gothenburg and Rogerson in 1999. That's where I got my source from. This most of the information that is here is from Gothenburg and Rogerson. And yeah, that's mostly where I got my sources, my information. But then I put in a little bit of fling of my liking. But then thank you everybody for listening. I'm gonna hand it over to my next speaker, who is Amokhalang, my partner, who is Amokhalang. Thank you very much. I thank you.
My name is Anita Katende, and I'll be presenting on how IITPSA Code of Conduct can benefit the financial institution's reputation and the success of the mobile banking app. As a junior developer working on a mobile banking application, following the Code of Conduct from the Institute of Information Technology Professional, South Africa, helps ensure that customer data is handled securely and responsibly. Ethical practices are important in financial services because they build trust between the institution and its customers. When customers trust that their personal and financial information is protected, they are more confident in using digital banking platforms. This solidifies the institution's reputation and encourages more people to use the mobile banking application, according to Modley, 2003. Luciano Florido, 2013, states that information ethics also ensures that technology is developed responsibly to protect users and society. By following ethical guidelines, developers can reduce risks such as data breaches and reputational damage. Therefore, aligning with the IIT PSA Code of Conduct helps the institution build trust, protect customer information, and support the long-term success of the mobile banking application. Thank you.